Hi, friends! Welcome to our barnyard full of mystery. Today we're going to play a super fun game called Who Makes This Sound? I'll play a sound, and you shout out your answer. Ready? Let's go! And no peeking. Hooray! Listen carefully. Which farm animal makes this sound? Cow! That's right. It's a cow. Great job. Cows give us yummy milk to drink. Did you guess it? Did you know cows have best friends and can get sad when they're apart? Here comes a silly sound. Which animal do you think? Pig. Yes, it's a pig. Great job. Pigs love rolling around in the mud to keep cool. Oinktastic. Did you know pigs are actually very smart? They can even learn how to play video games. Listen carefully. And can you guess the animal? Sheep. Yes, it's a sheep. Well done. Sheep give us soft wool for warm clothes. So fluffy. Did you know sheep can recognize up to 50 different faces, both sheep and humans? Next sound, listen carefully. Who could it be? Horse. That's right, it's a horse. Awesome. Horses are strong and love to run fast across the fields. Did you know horses can sleep standing up? They lock their legs so they don't fall over. Next one, who's making this sound on the farm? Chicken. That's right, it's a chicken. Amazing. Chickens lay eggs for our breakfast. Cluck, cluck, hooray! Did you know chickens can remember over 100 different people or animals? They're really clever. Do you think you're a sound master now? Let's try some bonus ones. Hooray! Who's making that sound from the pond? Frog! Yes, that's right. It's a frog. Well done. Did you know frogs don't drink water? They soak it up through their skin. Let's try another sound. A cheerful forest friend. Bird. That's a bird. Well done. Did you know some birds can sing more than 100 different songs to talk to each other? Let's hear one last sound. Here comes a tiny creature that loves flowers. Listen carefully. Who could it be? Bee. Yes, that's right. It's the bee. Yay! Did you know bees help plants grow by carrying pollen? And one little bee can visit up to 5,000 flowers in a single day? job, friends! How many animal sounds did you guess correctly? Which animal sound surprised you the most? And don't forget, join us next time for more animal adventures. See you soon, friends. Bye! Curious little munchies. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.